Hi, today we're going to do a really simple get ready with me. I'm not going to put on any foundation. Today's more of like a breather day. So I already just brushed my hair, and that's probably the only thing I did off camera is brushed my hair and scrunched it up a little bit to try and make it curl. And then how I'm going to style my hair today is just by putting it up like this. And then the other side as well. I like having it back, that way it's out of my hair. Out of my face. So first thing I'm gonna do is use my little sample that I got, and I actually got the full size of this. It's the Biossance Marine Algae Cream. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and the other side as well, and over my eyes. But it just helps kind of firm things up. Awesome. And then this side. And then I like to put a little bit on like the top of my forehead as well. Right here I find kind of line up, especially as I'm getting older. So I'll just push back my hair for now. And then the next thing I'm going to do is use my little Tula's sample, which I did go ahead and get the full size bottle. I was going to show it to you, but then I knocked over some things, so that's okay. All right, so I really like this stuff because it has like these little, almost like little beads in it. And it's really nice and hydrating. I really notice a difference in my skin from this, which is exactly why I bought it. Because I normally don't notice too much of a difference in anything I use. And just put it everywhere. I like to rub it down into my neck too. I need a little more to do that though. So this sample is pretty well all used up, which is awesome. I don't want to open my big bottle until I use up all my samples. Awesome. So yeah, I just find it really helps keep my skin look really nice and fresh. And the next thing I'm going to do is put on my vitamin C cream. It's 30% in suspended in silicone. It's really nice. I find when you put it on, it makes you feel like you have like baby skin or something. It's gorgeous. Love the way it feels. But it can make your skin like kind of tingle. It's supposed to do that. And also, if you have like an open pimple on your face or something, it kind of burns. So just watch out for that. But it even says on the label like not to put it on open skin, and that's definitely why. And if you're gonna use it, avoid putting it on your lips because it tastes awful, but it works really well. I love the way my skin feels from it. It's really nice. So then the last thing I'm going to do for my skin is just put on my iconic Set Prep and Glow Spray. I really like it. It can just help hydrate and stuff. I don't know. Kind of a nice glowy look and nice and simple. A lot of times I'll just tap it in. I know it sounds weird, but it helps like spread it around a bit. I like that it makes my skin feel too. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my eyelash curler. And I seen a girl do this on a video. Let me figure out. So you kind of curl it like that down there. And then you flip it around, curl it like that. That way it goes like straight up. And I'll hold it for a second. I always have to curl the ends a bit more. I'm gonna come do it to the other side, see? Big difference. Awesome. There we go. Awesome. Then I always gotta come back for that side. For some reason it doesn't like to go in. So then what I'm going to do is just fill in my eyebrows. So I have my little Anastasia brush. My hands are all slippery from the cream, so I gotta use my t-shirt to pull off the lid. I really like this. The only thing is, it's really easy to turn, so it would be easy to break it, but I really like it. So I'll just fill in my brows. I'm basically just going to highlight my face for a much more simple day of makeup. I like to let my skin breathe some days just because I find I'm really acne prone and I don't like that. I'd rather my skin be nice. So if I let it breathe certain days, I find it helps. So I'll brush it out and then I fill it in one last time just to make sure I got everywhere as I want it. And just really make sure my brow looks nice. Awesome. Now the other side. Another thing I'll do is I'll hold my elbow. That way I won't have to rest my hand as much on my face. It's a really good trick to help you do your strokes, because I know the oils from your skin can make you break out as well. So the less you touch your skin, the better. But, you know, life. Awesome. Now I'm just going to brush it out. Fill it in one last time. Just to make sure she looks good. Awesome. Itchy nose. Alright, let's put the cap back on. Then I'm going to, just really simple, use my little slanted brush. Take my Natasha Denona palette. I love it. It's the I Love You Dream palette. It's gorgeous. And I'm just going to take some of the vision here and do a little cat eye with it. I'm not going to do anything else for my eye makeup because today is just more of an easy day for me. Awesome. Other side. Nice. Let me just make sure they match. Lovely. I really, really like it. The vision on the I Love You Dream palette is just gorgeous, and just any way that you turn, it looks like a different color. Sometimes it's beautiful. It's got like a gold undertone with the purple. It's beautiful. So then I'm just going to put on a little blush. Nothing too crazy. Just framing my face. Lovely. Next, itchy nose again. I wonder why I got such an itchy nose today. Next I'm going to use, and that was my MAC Rose Petal blush. I love it. It is pretty well what I use for blush. It's awesome. This is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick, and it stays all day once it dries, but give it like a good 15 minutes to dry. Otherwise it will transfer. All right. And get a little overzealous in the corners. So just try and wipe it off. Much better. Awesome. So I'll just have to let that dry. Then next, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and this look is going to be complete. It's very simple, very easy. Basically probably took me like 15 minutes to do my hair and my makeup, but that was because I brushed my hair off camera. I didn't really think anyone wanted to see me brush my long hair. I just use a wet brush because I find that my hair knots so easily. It's ridiculous at this length. So I have to use a wet brush. But it's not like a bad thing at all. It makes it so it doesn't hurt. Awesome. And the other side. And in the eyeball. And wipe it away, and we're good. Lovely. Fun if I like do a little circle with it, like a little roll out with the mascara. I find it really helps kind of get things where you want them to be. Then I just do a little bit on the bottom after I do this side. And awesome. And then I'm going to finish the look off with my favorite scent right now, which is the Kayali Vanilla 28. It comes in and it looks a lot darker than the picture, but oh my god, it smells amazing. So I just do a little spritz, bring it around everywhere. It smells so good. Literally, like, me and my husband will go for a nice drive in the car sometimes, and I'll just be sitting there going, oh, I smell like an angel. Oh, it smells so good. So it's really nice. And yeah, so that is a little quick get ready with me and nice, clean, easy look. So thank you and have a good day.